सर गाय बात
रेहान,
हेलो।
आपका खाली फेस ही दिख रहा है बेटा, बुक और फेस दोनों दिखना चाहिए।
ओके सर, 2 मिनट।
Hassan has said properly.
ओके।
It's raining outside.
नो नो नो
Sir, at 8 p.m. the rain has
यस
ceased.
व्हाट यस इन मॉर्निंग।
Oh, okay.
आंसर
हाँ बेटा।
I have completed chapter number 1.
Oh, हो, fair book.
Yes, sir, I have sent you.
Very good. I
Sir,
have
yes.
sent you or I have sent you.
Sir, our dolly is ready.
चलो बेटा, सब एक मिनट खत्म हो गई। Everyone, turn on the camera properly. Come on. Now we need to start.
Sir,
हसन।
yesterday जो मेरे सब फ्रेंड्स थे ना वो हम भरोसा में गए थे।
Near my house. Exactly opposite to my house, Bharosa Sandwich.
Your house is there?
Just 5 seconds away.
Second time I come.
Sure, sure. Come with sandwich.
What, sir?
Come with sandwich. Don't come
Okay, sir.
bare
Sure.
hands.
Okay, okay.
Rehan, it looks like you're sitting in a train. Up and down, up and down. Keep it properly, no बेटा? हसन ने कैसे रखा है देखो। सैफ ने भी अच्छे से सेट किया है। अरे यार कैमरा सेट करने में मेरा टाइम यार।
Sir, but you not come my house. You are sitting near only.
Ah, I will come inshallah. Okay, let's start. Reference to context number 3. Okay, Rehan, done. Keep and start writing. Come on. Now listen to the question carefully. Click, click, click. It would take a while to get to the top. This is the context. And like I said, you people just have to write the answer. You don't have to write the question, just the answer. Okay. So, anyways, I need to read the question. Question A is, what does the narrator talk about here? Let's write the answer. Answer A. The narrator talks about the narrator. Let me turn on the camera. I will also turn it on. Le. Why should I turn it off? Light by on.
Permission granted.
Thank you for granting me the permission. Oh, I'm wearing the earphone. This is how generally we wear. Okay. So, answer A. Yeah. Rehan, what was that?
Sir, fake pen.
Fake pen? Empty pen.
Fake, not empty.
I hope you know the difference. Anyways, let's start writing the answer. Answer A. The narrator, please write.
Sir,
You are
I am
not
in
coming here.
Sir, I am in Nani's house, so I don't have books. My
Jalsa, jalsa. Okay. So listen to the answer properly. What else can I say? The narrator talks about the narrator talks about the position, the highest position. You can write position or you can write point. The highest point of California screaming, the highest point of California screaming full stop. Question B. How did the narrator feel at that time? Saif. Yes, Rehan. How did the
yes,
narrator
sir.
feel? How did the narrator feel when it was going to the top position? When the California screaming was going up, and it reached to a top position. How did the narrator feel? ये दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं, मेरे पास दो दो मोबाइल है. हसन पार्ट 2.
Sir, I have one mobile only. That's sir, father don't mobile. Know.
Thank you. I'm talking to Rehan. Yes, Rehan, what did you say?
Sir, don't know answer.
You were not there when I was explaining the lesson, beta? Were you not there when I was explaining you the lesson? Yes, Saif. Dasadia Mohammed Saif, your camera is moving again and again. In which train are you sitting? Okay, Farhan Ali.
Yes, sir.
How was narrator feeling when the ride reached to the topmost position?
No answer.
Wow, that is also one answer. Ahad Dolia.
Sir, but I can't understand. मैं
Okay.
समझा भी नहीं सकता.
Okay. You have joined
Yes,
from
sir.
2 ID.
What, sir?
Rehan has joined from second ID. How smart. Leave it. Mute the mic. Yes. Ahad, same question. How did the narrator feel when they reached to the top point of the California screaming, the highest point?
What is the narrative of the beach at the top of California's spring?
मैं कहाँ लेसन समझ रहा था नहीं. Mute the mic. Hassan, the same question. The same question.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I show and tell you?
Certainly.
Sir, when narrator go in the point, it's high of California screaming, the narrator scream, narrator scared, and his splatty hands,
Which hands?
splatty. So splatty.
Sweaty.
Oh, sweaty. Yes. Sweaty hands, and it clutch the seats of it.
It should be one line answer. Okay,
One
Saif,
line.
will you be able to try?
Yes, sir.
How did the narrator feel when they reached to the top part of California Screaming?
Sorry, afraid. He upset.
She.
He is
She was
upset
girl.
down. Yes, she.
Not
She up.
upside down. Try to understand the
Sir,
question. You remember the California Screaming was going up, it reached to the top and then it fell down. Zoop. So when it reached up, how did she feel?
he afraid that.
She.
She
Girl.
afraid that. Yes. She afraid that the. How can't I control? He afraid that.
Okay. Ragib, same question. Yes,
Sir, when the narrator was going highest point, so he feel very scared.
she.
She,
अरे यार
she.
क्यों लड़का बना रहे हो?
So in every story, the narrator is only boy, no sir. That's why.
Who told you that? That's a misconception.
Means most of sir, most of.
I disagree.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now Saif is yawning. Where has Rehan gone? Gayab. Shum. Okay, I will write absent then. Fine. So she was feeling excited as well as nervous. So both these feelings were there with her, nervousness as well as excitement. Okay, so write the answer. Answer B. The narrator felt felt excited as well as she was nervous, or you can write as well as nervousness. Both are correct. So both these feelings were there with her. She was feeling excited. What's going to happen now when the ride will fall down? Zoom. And she was afraid. Great. Now the last question of reference to context. Click, click, click is an expression of sound. Give examples of any two other expressions of sound. Saif, at least as per your age. So click, click, click. It is a sound, right? Like that, two other sounds you have to find it out from the lesson. One is on the first page, yikes, Y-I-K-E-S, yikes. It is an expression sound.
So can I tell second?
You can,
Clunk, I think so.
huh?
Sir, click clunk is there, no sir?
No, sir. Indian
No sir.
tone. Yes. Yes, Rehan, why are you raising your hand? Without any reason? All have become like Saif. Okay, so we here the last answer, answer C. Examples are number 1, YIKES, yikes. Number 2, okay, number 2, Ragib said clunk. You can find it out on your own. That is not a matter of discussion. So number 2, keep it on you. Let's see when you send me the pictures.
So sir, we can
Which
write no clunk.
that is up to you. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
So with this, our 3 reference to context. Over.
Finish.
Yes, Rehan.
Okay, sir.
Finish. Rehan, I'm not talking to you because you have not followed the rule today. You have turned off the camera. आपको पसंद आएगा ना सर आपके साथ बात नहीं करे तो इसलिए नहीं करूँगा.
Sir, we can write winced it. Winced.
You send me the answer now.
Okay,
Then
sir.
I'll check it. If any correction is needed, I'll send you the correct answer or the correct possible answer. Done?
Sir, वो छुट्टी क्या?
Okay. So for lesson number 1, nothing is left. The hard words I already have given. Meanings, give one word, done. Then I have
Sir,
even
देखो.
discussed. Then I have even discussed fill in the blanks. Question answers done. Reference to context complete. Is anything left out? Please let me know. Is there anything?
So there is
Okay.
no
No,
sentence.
sir.
So how about poem 2? Like what have we done in that?
Sir, hard words,
Sir, hard
meaning.
word, meaning and given word.
Okay. Hard words, meanings, and given word. Fine. So here in this poem, I have not given you rhyming words.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Don't tell me. Really?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Really.
No. Yes, sir.
Yes, no,
Meaning,
sir, not you not written.
If everyone is speaking, how can I remain silent? That is what he is trying to do. Seth, you are in the class. Don't, please. Okay. So do one thing. Rhyming words, I will not give you because few people are not attentive, and I think you can find it on your own. How many of you have the textbook right now?
yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Mr. Raghubasan.
Yes, sir. Some of them are dead.
Yes, sir. Sabiriana
Yes, sir,
Sasha.
yes, sir, Muhammad said. Sir,
Yes.
yes, sir,
Yes.
what we have to do?
What do we have to do? You have to find out rhyming words from the poem. Number two.
Yes,
Okay, Rehan is very free. Let me ask him one question. Rehan, what is the meaning of rhyming word? Rhyming words means what? From your first, second standard, you are writing rhyming words. What is rhyming word? I cannot say rhyming word. I can say rhyming words. Chalo. I gave you the hint. Rhyming words. Rehan and Rohan are the rhyming word. No. Then what is rhyming word? Till your friends are finding the rhyming words, I want this answer. You are sitting in your granny's house, no problem. But you can answer me with your mouth. And this is not Snapchat. You are half seen and half unseen. What is a rhyming word?
Some meaning or rhyming words we say.
You have to find out. I am talking to Rehan because
Okay.
he doesn't have the book. So he will talk with me today.
Sir, we found.
Thank you. Wait for your friends. Don't be so hasty. Rhyming word, Rehan, rhyming word.
I don't know.
Why, beta? Today, why aren't you giving me proper answers? Don't want to study, beta? I say, uh, curse, purse. These are the rhyming words. How? Sun, done. These are rhyming. How? Hassan, what is rhyming word? Words.
Yes, sir. Which sound the same. Words sound the same.
Words sound the same. Okay. Saif, according to you, what is rhyming words? Dasaria Mohammed Saif, according to you, what is rhyming words? Okay, Ragib Hassan,
Yes, sir.
same question.
Sir, any two words that sounds means in pronunciation they are same.
Are you sure?
Means pronunciation some means sounds like same. Last
At
words.
the at the end, it sounds like same, not full word, right?
Yes, sir.
So two words, rhyming words are always in the pair. Rhyming words. That's why I say words. It rhymes with each other. Yes.
Increased poetic effect.
Huh?
Increased poetic effect.
Yeah, that is what it happens. But what is the work of rhyming word? That is not my question. Right? So, okay. Hassan, how many rhyming words did you find? And please speak.
No, sir. I speak and count and tell. Okay.
Yo.
So, kato bamboo. Kato bamboo. Then
Tattoo bamboo.
yes. Then taboo voodoo.
It's not taboo, it's taboo.
Yes. Taboo voodoo. Then grew blue.
Okay.
Then hue few.
Okay.
Crew askew.
Great.
Then screw new.
Hmm.
Then argue stew.
Don't you think few and few will be much better?
Which, sir?
Few and stew.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, Ragib Hassan.
Yes, sir. Brew, brew. Nephew, Andrew. Cockatoo, voodoo. Bamboo, taboo. Screw, new.
Okay. Ahad, how many did you find? Anyways, so rhyming words, if you understand the concept, the same thing happened to us in when we were studying students. Teachers were used to give us question answers, not even the rhyming words. Because teachers used to believe that if you once know the story, why can't you answer the question which is from the story itself? A to Z, if you know what is the story of the lesson, you should be able to answer. Yes, sometimes if you make the mistake in sentence formation, that's fine. That's how we are teaching you English. In the same way, I wanted to teach you that try to find the answer on your own. Once, if you, the condition is you have to understand the story properly. Right? You know that story of rabbit and tortoise, rabbit and turtle. They both, made a bet who will win. Rabbit said, I'm very fast. Turtle, you are very slow. You will lose. Rabbit was running very fast. He was overconfident. Rabbit stopped at one place for taking rest, and the turtle won the race because he was continuously running. So rabbit lost because of his overconfidence. Now this is the story. Now if I ask you that who was overconfident,
Rabbit.
right? So if you know the story, you will be able to answer. Now, if I ask you the outside question from this, what was the color of rabbit? Will you say pink color? No, that is not rabbit. There has to be dragon fruit. Huh? So it's very easy. It was of white color. So this way, if you pay attention in the class, you will be able to answer the question on your own, no matter whether teacher has given the answer or not. That is what my concern was. I hope you are trying to understand whatever is explained, because my aim is to teach you English, not to teach you answers of question. Anyway, we will discuss the rhyming words in the next lecture. Have a nice day. Stay safe.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Goodbye, sir. Have a nice day.
Nice day.
Nice, the number of tickets sold in a first.
Bye, sir.